Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change multiple text box font size in Adobe InDesign. So let's get started. At first, you have to open your InDesign software. You can create any document or book. Now I am create the document. Then we create a text box. Go to the tool menu and select the type tool. Then create a text box. Now I am write some text to this text box. Now I am write something. You can see we write PDF tutorial. Then click the move tool and create again another text box. Then we write another text. Now we can see we write Adobe InDesign. Now I am select the multiple text box, drag and drop, click and drag on our mouse. Then go to the character option. You can enable this character, go to the window menu and select the text and choose the character. Now I am select this multiple text box and increase the size of the text. We can see we increase the text size with multiple text boxes very easily. You can increase otherwise decrease this text size very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.